I am Jagpreet Kaur, science teacher of DPS Alwani Lamajor. Dear students, we will in this video we will do revision of chapter number 10, that is motion and measurement of distances. In the previous video I have explained you some of the topics of this chapter. Now in this video we will continue from the next topic. So let's start. Student, now the first topic is the making measurement of a length. Okay, if we want to take the measurement of any object, then how we will take the measurement of that object. Hence, for example, here this is an object. Okay, this is a box, and here we have to arrange the scale in a straight. Okay, we have to arrange the scale straight, not in a slanting. हमें straight scale लगाना है, not slanting one. Okay, for example, if we have taken the scale like this is a wrong method. Okay, we have to arrange the scale straight, not the slanting one, not like this, not like this, in the straight one. Then only we can take the exact and the proper distance or the measurement of any object. Okay, so now the next one is the measurement with a scale with broken end. For example, if we are having a scale and its end is broken, if its end is broken from the back side, then it's okay. If the end is broken from the front, okay, if the for example, if your scale is broken from up to 2 centimeter, okay, up to 2 centimeter, and we have to take a measurement of it, and we are just taking the measurement of this box within broken end of the scale, and it for here we will the 3 point. Okay, for example, the 1 and 2 centimeter is broken from here. यहाँ पे से इतना स्केल क्या है आपका टूट गया, and from here we are arranging it 3, then 4 and up to, for example, 6 centimeter it is or 8 centimeter. Okay, up to 8 centimeter it is coming. Then for example here up to 8 centimeter is coming, then what we will do, 8 centimeter is from this 8 centimeter, how much your scale is broken, means up to 2 centimeter. Up to 2 centimeter your scale is broken, and we will subtract, means 2 centimeter. जितना आपका स्केल टूटा है उतना हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे. Then the answer will be 6 centimeter. Okay, if we will minus this 8 from 2, then we will get 6 centimeter. Means that the length of this box is 6 centimeter. This is how the exact length, the correct length of an object you can take out. Okay, with the help of the broken end scale. Okay, so I hope you understood this also. Now the measuring the length of a curved line. Okay, how we will take the measurement of a curved line. For example, if we are having here a wire, okay, a wire is like this, then how we will take the measurement of this curved wire? First we will take that thread, okay, and according to the shape of this wire we will arrange that thread. ओके, जैसे ही आपका वायर का शेप होगा वैसे ही हमें थ्रेड को लेके जाना है पूरा. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन वी विल टेक इट फ्रॉम वन एंड टू द अनदर एंड, देन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल स्ट्रेट दिस थ्रेड, ओके. जब इसको स्ट्रेट करेंगे देन इट विल बी मोर देन ऑफ दिस लेंथ, एंड देन फ्रॉम विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस थ्रेड वी विल टेक the length, the exact length of this curved wire. This is how we can take a length, the correct length of a curved object. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. So student, the next topic is the motion. What is motion? Means any object which shows which is moving is known as a motion. Okay, that object is known as a that is in a motion, we can say. Okay, for example, a car is moving, then we will say that car is in motion. Okay, a ball is moving. Okay, when we hit a ball, then also that ball also changes the distance, it also moves. Okay, so that ball is also in motion. If we walk, then also we say that we are in motion. Okay, so now second one is rest. What is rest? Any object which is not moving, okay, and that object is in a particular place only. Okay, so that is known as we can say that that object or that thing is in rest. Okay, for example, if we are sitting alive and we are not moving, then we'll say that we are in rest position, in a rest position. Okay, if car is standing outside, we have parked it outside, okay, then we will say that that car is in rest position. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now the types of the motion, here we have I have to explain you that if any object shows motion is moving, okay, then we say that object is in motion. Now what are the different, there are the different types of the motion. What are that? That is, first one is a rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? When an object, or here I am taking a car, example of a car, okay. For example, a car is there and it is moving in a straight line. Okay, a car is moving in a straight path or on a straight street, then we can say that car is a rectilinear motion. This कोई भी चीज हमारी straight line में जाती है, straight path में जाती है, that time we say that that thing or that object is a rectilinear motion. Now what is a circular motion? Any object that moves in a circular path, okay, then we say that object is in circular motion. For example, fan. Okay, when we open fan, it rotates, it moves in a circular motion. Okay, or when you go in the fete, ठीक है, जब आप नुमाइश में या फिर किसी फेट में जाते हैं, you have seen that big बड़ा वाला जो झूला you have seen, I think. Okay, that also shows in circular motion. Okay, and other things are also there. Now the rotational motion. Next one is the rotational motion. Means any object, anything, any object that moves on its own axis. ठीक है, जब कोई भी चीज अपनी एक्सेस में रोटेट कर रही होती है, then we say that object is in rotational motion. For example, the top. ओके, जो लट्टू होता है उसके नीचे क्या लगा होता है? निडल लगी होती है, एंड ऑन दैट निडल that top will rotates. Okay, so that is an example of the rotational motion. Now next one is a periodic motion. Periodic motion is when any object, okay, when any object changes its position in a fixed time, then we say that object is in periodic motion. For example, the clock. The needle of that clock shows the motion in an exact time. Means every second, in every second, the needle of that the clock is move. Okay, so that is an example of a periodic motion. And another example is in pendulum. Okay, when we take a pendulum and we take it up to this length and we just leave it, then what happens? In a particular time interval, that pendulum will come in its back in its original position. Okay, so that is also an example of a rotational motion. Sorry, periodic motion. Now second one is a combination of two or more motions. Means any objects, okay, that shows more than that shows the two motion at a time or more than two motions. So example is, here we'll take an earth. Okay, this is an earth, and here in the middle we are showing sun. Okay, so around the sun, what the earth will do? It revolves, okay, around the sun. What earth will do, it revolves. This is an earth. अर्थ क्या करती है, सन के अराउंड क्या करती है, रिवॉल्व करती है, रिवॉल्यूशन देती है ना. सो दिस इज एन सर्कुलर मोशन. when earth revolves around the sun, that it is showing a circular motion. Okay, and earth also rotates on its own axis. अर्थ क्या करती है, अपनी खुद की एक्सिस में भी रोटेट करती है, लाइक दिस. ओके, अर्थ क्या करती है, अपनी खुद की एक्सिस में भी रोटेट करती है. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट when any object rotates on its own axis, then that object is showing rotational motion. Okay, so that object is showing rotational motion. So when earth moves, rotates on its own axis, then it is showing rotational motion. Okay, now in this the earth is showing two types of the motion at a time. That is the circular motion when earth takes the revolution of itself, and rotational motion when earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, so student, I hope you understood. Now every point is clear to you. Please revise this. And if you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment box below. Okay, so student, now in the next video we will do the revision of the new chapter. So till then, keep learning, stay safe and stay happy.